Most traders stare at a chart and guess. What if the chart told you exactly where to buy, where to stop, and where to take profit? This is Pro Signals on DayTrades, an institutional-grade signal engine built right into your trading terminal. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to read it, how to trade it with multipliers, and where MetaTrader 5 fits in. Let's start with the layout. Across the top, you pick your trade type. Rise and fall, multipliers, higher, lower, or touch, no touch. On the left is the market selector. Right now we're on gold versus US dollar. The center is your live chart. On the right is the trade panel, and along the bottom sits the signal analysis engine. Every tool we cover lives on this one screen. Before any signal can work, set your chart up properly. Click the chart type button and choose candle. Pro Signals reads candle structure, so area and tick charts won't do. Then pick your time interval. 1 minute is the sweet spot for short-term multiplier trades. Fast enough to give you setups, slow enough to filter out noise. Leave smooth chart movement on unless your device struggles. Now open the indicators panel. You'll see the usual categories: momentum, trend, volatility, moving averages. But look at the tab marked Pro Signals. This is the premium tier, and it holds two engines that do the analysis for you: the Fake Pin Bar and Engulfing detector, and the SMC Supply and Demand Engine. First, the Fake Pin Bar and Engulfing detector. A pin bar is a candle with a long wick. It looks like a reversal. But the Fake Pin Bar is a trap. Price spikes through a level, grabs the stop sitting there, then snaps straight back. This engine marks the mother bar zone, flags the trap, and confirms it with an engulfing candle. When the label prints, the move that follows is usually the real one. Second, and this is the powerful one, the SMC Supply and Demand Engine. Smart Money Concepts tracks where the big institutional orders sit. Green boxes are demand, buyers waiting below price. Red boxes are supply, sellers waiting above. BOS means break of structure. The trend just continued. CHOCH means change of character. The trend just flipped. Gray boxes have already been used up, so ignore them. Every zone feeds the SMC Desk, your trade ticket written for you. Side tells you buy or sell. Entry is the price to get in. SL is your stop loss. TP gives you 3 take profit targets to scale out of. Confidence and probability score the setup. Accumulation shows how much of your position to commit. And status tells you whether the trade is active or still waiting. On the chart itself, those same levels are drawn as the entry line, the stop below, and the target above. Never take a signal where probability reads weak. Underneath, the signal analysis engine votes on direction: down, hold, or up, with a score out of 6. Below that, risk management, current volatility, average candle range, and a suggested stop loss and take profit calculated from that volatility. Suggested hold time tells you how long this setup usually needs to play out. And if the panel warns you that signals are mixed, believe it and wait. So how do you trade the signal? Multipliers. You pick a direction, up or down, and a multiplier, here times 100. That means a 1% move in gold becomes a 100% move on your stake. With a $1 stake, your risk is capped. Stop out is $1, and you cannot lose more than what you put in. Commission is 2 cents. Add risk management to attach your own take profit and stop loss, and the trade manages itself. Here's the full workflow. 1. Set a 1-minute candle chart. 2. Enable both Pro Signals engines. 3. Wait for the SMC Desk to turn active with strong probability. 4. Check signal analysis agrees with the direction. 5. Match the multiplier to the suggested stop loss, set your stake, and press up or down. 6. Hold for the suggested hold time and exit at target 1. Signal, confirmation, execution. That's the whole loop. One more thing. If you want to take these same smart money reads onto Forex, indices, or commodities with real leverage, MetaTrader 5 is available from your account. Same market analysis, same structure, but with full order types, expert advisors, and multi-chart layouts on desktop and mobile. Practice the signals here, scale them there. Pro Signals does the reading, multipliers do the leverage. You bring the discipline. Open your demo account, switch the engines on, and trade 20 setups before you risk a cent of real money. Everything you just saw is live right now at app.daytrades.live. If this helped you, subscribe. We go deeper on every one of these tools.